In this box, I'm about to show you the only thing that you need to start your fall garden. In that box were my deliveries from SeedSheet. And if you don't know what SeedSheet is, I'm going to tell you. They sell their packages by collections, basically. So like over the summertime, there was a caprese collection that came with basil, tomato, things like that. This box is the fall box. And I'm just going to show you how this works. Each one comes labeled. This is the fall carrot. And essentially, this is a mat that you're going to lay down anywhere in your yard. It doesn't have to be in the garden. You can put this anywhere, and look, the seeds are built into it. So essentially, I'm going to open this mat up, lay it down in my garden. This is going to block out all of the weeds surrounding my plants. And these are my seeds with enough fertilizer in them. You can actually see the little seeds are right there. And this is my little dirt pod here. I'm just gonna lay this down in my lawn anywhere I want to, and it's gonna grow. They offer a money back guarantee on all of this. And the fun thing about this is, say you don't have space like this to grow fall carrots, you can cut these. You can cut these in however you want and put them wherever you want it. I can be growing fall carrots right in the middle of my flower garden right now if I wanted to. Just cut out a zoop section, bloop, put it down. Fall carrots coming up in the middle of the zinnias. This is awesome. My fall kit came with, I don't know how to say that, nasturtium, it's a flower. It also came with dill and scallions, spinach, rainbow chard, and kale, and the fall carrots. This is the easiest, no-brainer way to garden. And when I tell you, they have all kinds of collections, all kinds of vegetables and herbs in these kits. And then each one comes with a bonus thingy too in it. So you can just, put this wherever you want, extra spot, whatever you want to do with it. But is this genius? It is. The connection to this company is going to be in my information if you'd like to find it and learn more about SeedSheet. But this is brilliant.